something special in store for you guys. Something immaculate. A true barn find without the barn. The first part of the car. This is the first part of the build.
Survival kit.
That's the second part, that's the third part. I mean, you know it's going to be a good buy when you buy a jump pack and a spare radiator. Yeah. You just know it's going to be something special. What more do I need to explain? Just breathe it in. Just take it all in. I know it's a lot to take in. It really is. But just absorb the beauty of it. You have crusty, and then you have whatever the fuck this is.
Oh. Bij die kutkabel die...
Hij staat er wel, maat.
Visco die had bijna de kabel op. Oh, nee, nee.
Moet je even een setje geven?
Zo moet ik een setje geven.
Hoezo zeg?
Ben je serieus?
Hij staat in zijn bestelling. Doe ik zo venster. Ja.
Tell him, what's today's mission?
Today's mission is to get this car ready to survive at least a partial day of drifting. It's been a couple of years since it was put away. It was put away because it needed maintenance. In short, the cooling system is busted, the fan exploded, as you can see, taking out my beautifully JB welded radiator, which has held up perfectly actually. But so we're gonna clear the debris from the engine bay, replace the radiator, the cooling system, the hoses, the fan, and after that's been fixed, we can see if the engine is still good. We're gonna put in some quality oil and see what other grumblings we have to fix. One of them being the clutch. The clutch is absolutely toast, so we have to fix that as well. And if these items are fixed, we might actually have a chance at drifting a couple of hours, maybe.
1 hour.
We'll see. So let's get to work, let's fix this shit, and then we can hit the McDonald's.
Hoe eerder, hoe beter dit voorbij is. Tering ellende.
Professional diagnosis that this needs replacing.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, doet hij weer leeg. Nu? Radiator, nieuw radiator in.
Ja. Of gaan we nu de airco eraf halen. Speed.
Nee, er is iets met airco-vloeistof, dacht ik. Maar ik weet
niet
niet zeker.
Alleen die belt eraf.
We kunnen wel de belt eraf halen.
Plus 5 HP.
Grauslick performance. Okay, now let's put the new, proven to work radiator in. So tell him, where did you find this radiator?
Doesn't matter. We fixed it. We replaced the radiator, which was broken, the expansion tank, which will inevitably explode anyway. The hoses we replaced with not new but new to us hoses, and the fan itself, which was was missing a few blades. Topped up the radiator. It doesn't matter. It works.
Wet is wet.
Yeah, and you know, just jobs like this just go much easier when you have the right tools.
Yeah.
The right tools. But yeah, we're gonna do a quick oil change. Not like that, an actual oil change. And I mean, if this one dies, she dies.
Yeah.
So we're gonna replace filter, oil, spark plugs with nothing but the best. And we're gonna heat it up outside, see if everything still functions as it should. And if everything still works, we're gonna do the hard part, which is replacing the clutch. Because the last thing I wanna do is replace the clutch if it turns out the engine is bad. So We're gonna do this first, see if the engine is good. If it's good, we're gonna continue with the other jobs.
I think even warm worden op de duur.
Okay, so it still works. It passed the test, a very special test, a test we cannot show on camera. But it works, the engine isn't overheating for now. It looks like it's still semi-okay, it'll survive for another few hours. So now we gotta remove the gearbox, change the clutch out, maybe change the, I'm not sure what it's called, hardy schijf disc?
Hardy? The rubber thing.
The rubber.
It's hardy, I think. Same in English.
Anyway, change out this thing because it's fucked, supposedly. And after that, it should be about done. So let's quickly.
Give us 2 hours and we're done.
Quickly change out the gearbox, and we should be done.
Wat de fuck is hier gebeurd? Leuk man, auto, stop.
Alright, so it was making a little bit of noise before. It sounded like something loose, like screws in a dishwasher. But I think we found what the problem was.
Put the light on.
So we might have had some little problems with some debris flying around. I'm not exactly sure what caused all of this, but it still drove. I mean, that's something. You can see all the bolts have grinded down. Here, here, here. So something came loose and made absolute mess of this. And as you can see inside of the gearbox, it's been completely sandblasted clean. And everything here has been eaten away by something that came loose. But nothing came out, so it must have all just evaporated, to be honest. But, you know, we're just gonna ignore all of this, put a new clutch on, and see how long that lasts.
Goed.
Yep, I am the special tool.
Maar moet dat er niet uit?
Dat moet toch pas als die erop zit?
Oh, oké.
Weet ik veel.
Nee, ik weet het ook niet. Ik ben geen monteur. Kan niet dat het zo makkelijk gaat. Er moet nog iets misgaan.
Maar het is even rustig aan.
Vertrouw het niet.
Ik heb alles half-ijs gedaan, dus we komen zo wel achter wat er allemaal mis is.
Great succes.
Great succes. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's normal.
So now it's the test drive.
It's the test drive, yeah.
See if it actually gets off its place.
See if it can fix anything.
Yeah.
It's highly doubtful, but. Nieuw ga je?
Wat? Moet je even instellen?
Dat is een stuk beter.
Je ziet nu al dat de grens zeg maar heel snel verlegd wordt. It's basically ready for drifting now.
It's ready. It's perfect.
So next week
Next week we're gonna and have fun.
Yeah,
And take it home in one piece.
for sure.
For sure. And then Joe's going to buy one as well.
We'll see.
See, that's how it starts. We'll see.
Now, see you guys.
Alright, so see you guys next week when we load up this piece of shit for a track day or a open drift day at Lelystad at the Dutch Drift League. But it's just like open for fun for idiots like us.
Let's go.
See you next week.